Good for him.
What is it? Brian wins?
He wins.
Oh.
Woo. Everybody, thank you for coming. We love you all. I was supposed to cheers.
Am I excited? Sure. Yes. Hello, my dear.
You look so nice.
Oh, you look so beautiful. Look at those things. Oh, I'm being recorded, by the way.
Oh, me too.
Oh, really?
I got those just for you. Those.
Not this one.
I'm graceful and I put my boots on.
Oh, boy, I'll tell you what. Oh yeah, live the moment, baby cakes. This won't go on for shit.
Sorry, I got big knuckles.
There you go, I got it.
It's in. I mean, on. By the power of your love and commitment to each other, and by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Dennis, you may kiss your bride.
Thank you, Nan. That was a great speech. Yeah. Did you plan that part where I put it in?
No, but I'm pretty good at going with the flow.
Yeah.
You got one knuckle in.